Morning traders, Nick Master Trade Market Tea Leaders here to bring you our daily market bias video for Monday, August 13th. It's approximately 4:15 a.m. on the East Coast. Basically, in the overnight session, all of Asia is trading to the downside, but many of the exchanges trading in the negative triple-digit territory. Currently, right now in Europe, we're seeing pretty much the same thing, whereby all the exchanges are trading to the downside. Now, we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Crude is trading lower, and the bonds are trading lower, although the bonds are fractionally lower. And if in fact you take a look at the other bond instruments, if you will, they're all trading to the upside. The S&P is trading lower, much lower, if you will, as is the NASDAQ and Dow Jones Industrial Average. And gold is also trading to the downside. Now, in terms of economic news we have in the dockets today for the U.S. markets, we really don't have very much. In fact, basically, we don't really have any major economic news, if you will. And as such, basically, the markets are going to be left to their own devices in terms of direction, etc., what happens with it. All this being said, our bias is to the downside. And the reason why I'm suggesting this is very simply because the U.S. dollar is trading higher, much higher. Everything else is pretty much trading lower. Crude's trading lower. Bonds are trading down, but only fractionally down in terms of the 30-year bond. We think that probably in all likelihood this is probably going to migrate into positive territory at some point. But the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. All of Asia is trading lower, all of Europe is trading lower, thus our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks, hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.